In this video I will show you how to make this Alpine Stitch top. I made a crop top, but obviously you can make any length you want. And if you want to make also a matching skirt, I will make it in my next tutorial, so subscribe because you don't want to miss it. Let's get started. To make this top, you will need lace cotton yarn, 2 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle. Start making a slip knot and we will make a chain of 40. My chain of 40 is ready, and now I will make a slip stitch into the first stitch. Try to not twist your chain, so insert your hook into the first stitch you made and make a slip stitch. Okay, so we will work in rounds. Now chain 2. This chain of 2 we will not count as a stitch. Yarn over and inside the same stitch where you made a slip stitch, make your first double crochet. Now yarn over, go to the next stitch and make another double crochet. And work just one double crochet in each stitch of the chain to the end, so you will have a total of 40 double crochets. As you can see, I try also to hide this tail so I don't have to weave in it later. So keep working just one double crochet in each stitch to the end of this chain to have a total of 40 double crochets. I've just made my last double crochet, number 40. This is how it looks like. And now I will insert my hook into the first double crochet I've made and just make a slip stitch. Now chain 2, again this chain of 2 we will never count as a stitch and we will repeat it after every round. And yarn over, make one double crochet in this first stitch. Okay. And in the next place, we'll make also double crochet, but this time it will be front post double crochet. So yarn over, and instead of working here on the top of the stitch, like usually, you can see this post. Insert your hook behind this post, like this. So this post is in front of the hook, and this is why we call it front post double crochet. And now just make double crochet as usually. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now yarn over and in the next place make just a normal double crochet. So we will work it here on the top of the stitch. Our next double crochet will be again front post double crochet. So again, yarn over, and we should work here if it's a normal one, but instead of this, we will work here behind this post. So put your hook here and just make a double crochet. And we will work like this, making normal double crochet and front post double crochet to the end of this round. So I will show you once again. This next one will be a normal double crochet, and the next one, the second one, will be front post double crochet. So again we will work alternating double crochet and front post double crochet to the end of this second round. There are still 2 stitches left, so this one is a normal double crochet. And my last one, number 40, is a front post double crochet, as I started this round with a normal double crochet. Okay, so this is how it looks like, and in the end, I will just insert my hook into the first double crochet I've made and make a slip stitch. Now chain 2. And this round we will work the opposite. So as the previous one, the second one, we started with a normal double crochet. This one, we will start with front post double crochet. So we will insert our hook behind this first double crochet and make just a double crochet. Okay. And the next one, as here in the previous round it was a front post double crochet, I will work as a regular double crochet. Okay, so one more time. Yarn over. This next double crochet was a normal one in previous round, so now will be a front post double crochet. And again, the next one, as it was a front post double crochet from previous round, right now we will work a normal double crochet. And I will just keep working, making front post double crochet and later double crochet again to the end of this round number 3. I'm finishing my round number 3. I made my front post double crochet and still have to make my last stitch, which is a double crochet. So in this round, as we started with front post double crochet, we will finish with regular double crochet. And here we'll just make a slip stitch into the first stitch, so it was a front post double crochet. Here we go. And we can already make a chain of 2 because this is how we start every round. Okay, so we already can see the texture. You will see it better in a moment after few more rounds. And now we will repeat rounds number 2 and number 3 until we reach the desired length. So this next round number 4, we will start with regular double crochet first, as here in the third one we were working front post double crochet first. So here regular double crochet and later front post double crochet. So exactly the same as we did in the round number 2. And then we'll make a slip stitch, chain 2, and next round, round number 5, will be exactly the same as round number 3. So we will start with front post double crochet and later a regular double crochet. So keep working, and in a moment I will show you how many rounds I made. I've made just 6 rounds as I want to make a crop top, but obviously you can make as many rounds as you want. This is how it looks like. And now we will work one round of single crochets and we will create our straps. So when you're happy with the length of your top, we will chain 1, and starting from this very first stitch, we will make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the next one, 5th stitch, we will make also a single crochet, but here we will make a chain of 20. This is how it looks like. And now starting from the second chain from the hook, we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of this chain. So we'll have a total of 19 single crochets. So keep working, making just 1 single crochet in each stitch of the chain. And our first strap will be ready. Here we go. You can stretch it a little bit so it's straight, but don't worry, we will make it in a moment. And now we will insert our hook into the same stitch as we made the chain. So here, of the base of our top, and we will make a slip stitch. So this is how we attached it. And now we will work 10 single crochets. So starting from the next stitch, we will count 10 single crochets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, and now we will make a single crochet in the next stitch also, and here we will make another strap. So we'll start making a chain of 20 again, and exactly as we made in the first strap, starting from the second chain from the hook, we will work one single crochet in each stitch of the chain, so you will have a total of 19 single crochets. So again, I will work these single crochets to the end of the chain, and our second strap will be ready. And again, we will make a slip stitch into the same stitch as we started the chain, so here where we made this extra single crochet. Okay, so we have another strap, and now we will work 8 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and now it's time to attach our straps to the back. So we'll insert our hook into the next stitch, but instead of making a single crochet, we'll grab the strap, this one we've just made, so stretch it a little bit, and be careful to not twist it, and we'll insert our hook here in the end of this strap, and we will just make a slip stitch. Oh, I have to make it again. A slip stitch through all the pieces. Okay. Now I will insert my hook again in the same place on the of my top, and I will insert it into the different place of the strap. And again, I will make a slip stitch. So I attach it very well here into places. Okay, and now we have it here, and now starting from the next stitch, again we will make 10 single crochets like on the front. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we will attach our second strap. So again, insert your hook into the next stitch, take the strap, stretch it, do not twist it, and insert your hook into this end of the strap and make a slip stitch through all the pieces. Again, insert in the same place, and here on the strap I recommend you to not insert your hook in the strap in the same space, but in the stitch that it's nearby, and again make a slip stitch. And now we still have here 4 stitches left, so we will finish making just one single crochet in each stitch. 3 and 4. And here we will insert our hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, so this is how our top looks like, and now we will finish the bottom edge. This is optional, but I don't like how it looks like, so I will insert my hook here near to the seam. We'll work in this beginning chain as we started our top. Again, take your yarn, make a slip knot, insert it here, chain 1 to attach, and starting from the same place, we'll just make 1 single crochet in each space. So again, we will have 40 single crochets. As you can see, I try to hide also this tail, so I don't have to weave in it later. So just keep working, making 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of this round. And after my last single crochet, I will just insert my hook again into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 1 to secure, and cut the yarn. Okay, so we have to weave in these ends. This is the back part, as you can see, and this is the front part. So again, we just have to weave in the ends and our little top is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls and see you next time.